Okay, so I just used a hairdryer. And now for this part, because this still needs a hinge. And as you can see, there are all these little pieces that are folded over. In my hierarchy, we've got clean, color, correct, paste, and protect. This is kind of the cleaning aspect here. We're just going to clean up this section. Because any new materials that you attach to loose materials are just going to fall off, so we're really just kind of checking to make sure nothing's going to fall off. This can also be done before I put this tissue on. Might have made it easier, actually. Sometimes sanding is the way to get all that loose stuff off more easily. In any case, that's pretty good now. So, we've still got this hinge, and we could just do another hinge that's made out of the same kind of Japanese tissue. We could choose to have something that is more matching this, maybe a red. But not much of it is going to be showing at all. We just really want to have something go from here onto here. This is also, in this repair, this is going to go on here. And so we're just adding another strip. And, you know, could be done now, could be done later. Doing it beforehand means that you know it's going to fit in there and not strain the joint once it's shut. Keep finding a little bit more here. So I'm going to put it on now. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to use another piece of the Sekishu, and I want it to basically go to be something like that, a little less than that. So it doesn't have to be very wide. Did the same looking way of tearing it that is so easy. Trim it to size. It's going to stretch a little bit, so you may as well trim off a 1/16 or so, an 1/8 maybe, now. And once again, this is just going to help these two things attach for strength. And I'm going to attach this directly on top here. And because I'm going to do that, I'm definitely going to use paste. Okay, so I'm just going to use nori paste. Instead of getting all fancy and thinning it out and all that, I'm just going to use it straight out of the bottle. Nothing wrong with that in this instance. And I'm using this because it is very reversible. I can get this off with just a little bit of water later. And I'm actually attaching the whole thing now to the hinge, whereas I didn't do that in the other one. And it just doesn't matter. Either way is fine. And that'll have to dry before I kind of do anything else there, but as you can see, it's not very, obtrusive. It's not obvious. There we go. Alright, so now we've got the end sheets back on and hinged. And the next thing we're going to do is to align and attach the boards and then make a hollow. So we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.